Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Saturday, April 13th, and I think I figured out the issue with my tires. So I did take my car to Discount Tire for them to inspect the tires, and they basically said that the inside layer of the tire was cupping. And if you kind of look at these three lines here, the very center one has probably the most tread, and the far left one, which is on the inner side of the tire, has the least amount of tread. And so the inside tires were cupping, basically causing this loud road noise I was hearing, and it's related to alignment. And I've never had an alignment on this car since I purchased it back in 2014. So here's what I had done. I have an alignment scheduled for 2 weeks from now at Gerald Subaru Naperville, and I also ordered the Michelin Pilot 4S tires to replace these. Not that I need to replace these, but this tire noise is literally driving me insane. So I'm getting the tires replaced today, and later I will show you how those look when they're mounted, and how the if there's any differences, and maybe do some spirited driving, see how everything goes. So that was the issue. Tires were cupping, and that's what was the issue, was with the loud noise. So I will switch over to the other side of the car to show you the other side of the tire. So give me one moment. So here's the other tire, and basically the same issue. Inside the tire, less tread. Outside, more tread. So like I said, I'll get those tires swapped out. I'll probably do a review on the Michelin Pilot 4S's and let you know how everything goes. So Lee's WRX signing out for an unfortunate $1,000 repair, basically, for these tires, because it's sad that I had to get rid of these, but oh well, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do to have a perfect running car. So I will post back later when I get those 4S's installed, and we'll go on from there. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Check it out, guys. Here they are, Michelin Pilot 4S. Beautiful tires. Just got them mounted at Discount Tire. I do notice they put some kind of like, I don't know if it's like a grease, but some kind of like tire shine on there, so it looks nice. I got my wheels turned over here to show you. Nice aggressive tread pattern. And just awesome looking tires. Go around the front. So yeah, initial impressions of driving. I only have a few mile drive to get back from Discount Tire, but it's dead silent now. I mean, literally, there is no tire noise at all. So the next thing on the list would be to do the wheel line, which I'm doing 2 weeks from now at Gerald Subaru Naperville, and from then on, I'm gonna enjoy these tires because they are nice. So I'm gonna do just a quick drive. I'm not gonna do any pulls, but just a quick drive to show you that all that tire noise I had prior is all gone now. So see you guys on the road. Okay guys, so on the road, cruising at 45 miles an hour. Dead silent. No more of that noise that I heard earlier, which I knew I did not hear prior. I know that, summer tires are noisier than my winter tires, but there was just something wrong. And so that cupping of the tires was that noise I was hearing. So, but it is dead silent. Like, if you can compare the last video I made from this one, where I'm just cruising on these back roads, it is such a huge difference in tire noise compared to now. So I'll get, once I get turned here, I'll do one more little cruise, and then it just makes such a huge difference. So overall, I'm happy. And what I'll do is I'll drive with these for about a week, let them, kind of settle in, and I'll talk about my initial thoughts on it, like do a little review on them and all that. And from then on, I guess I'm gonna, obviously the next thing on the list to do would be get the wheel alignment, which I'm gonna do 2 weeks from now with Gerald Subaru. So I'll get that done, and then I'll be all set in terms of having the wheels aligned and not having any more tire wear issues. So, but yeah, overall, very happy. Initial impressions are great. I mean, it's smooth, it's quiet. I can tell the handling. I'm not like gonna test the handling right now, but I can tell it's really firm and really planted. So, but yeah, it's dead silent. So just wanted to make a quick video just to show you that there was an issue with those tires. I mean, I knew that there was something going on. So I want to give two big thumbs up to Discount Tire Naperville. They took care of me right away. I came there 30 minutes before they opened, and I literally waited there in the freezing cold to be the first one there to get those tires mounted. And no, they took care of me. As soon as I walked in, they took my key. They didn't even ask for my name, or they knew who I was. I'm always there, and they knew my car, and I was in there and out of there. They opened at 8 o'clock. I was out of there by probably about 8:25. So it was quick, fast, and easy, and it was worth the quick wait. Oh, well, it was kind of a long wait, but it was worth the wait. So, but yeah, car is awesome. Very happy, and it's just silent. So this is one of those roads where it's really smooth and you can really hear the tire tread fire. But now, cruising at 45, it is dead silent, which is the way it should be. So very happy. So just wanted to get that out there, and just wanted to say again, thank you Discount Tire for taking care of me, and I will definitely do a full review of these Michelin Pod 4S tires, and from what I am gathering right now, they're super awesome. I'm really happy. So peace out, thanks for watching, enjoy your weekend, enjoy the sunshine. I think it's going to be the only sunny day, at least here in the Midwest, for this weekend. So until then, see you guys around. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me some, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks, and see you guys next time. So my next video will be the review of the Michelin Pod 4S tires. Peace.